I got a lot of comments from people. They were asking to me how to start speaking this language from zero. And one person had asked one question that was, I can understand English but can't speak. What should I do? Another person told that I cannot understand and I cannot even speak this language. So if you are also asking this kind of questions, then you are a beginner, because only beginner they ask this kind of question, right? If you are an intermediate or an advanced level, you will not ask this question, right? So no problem, we should ask, because there is no shame to be a beginner, right? We should start our journey, and everyone was beginner, right? Whosoever is speaking this language now fluently, they had started from zero, right? And they had the same kind of question as a beginner. So don't feel shy if you have this kind of question. And I'm going to share with you people a lot of things so that you can start speaking this language. My friend, I would love to share my journey, that how was my condition as a beginner. Was I able to understand things? No, not at all. I wasn't able to understand things. You might be not able to understand, right? Do you understand things? If you, then it's okay, it's so good. But if you are not able to understand, that is also okay, because I wasn't able to understand things, but now I can speak, I can understand, right? So what did I do? First of all, as a beginner, for understanding things, I used to watch easy things. I wasn't able to understand speech. I wasn't able to understand movie, So I started watching cartoon. Do you watch cartoon? If you haven't watched, then start watching as a beginner, because it will help you, okay? And you may face one problem there, that if you don't know grammar, then you may stuck somewhere while understanding, So it's not a big problem. If you feel that you are stucking, you are not able to understand even while watching cartoon also, so you should work on your grammar. I'm not saying that you should be perfect on grammar. No, it took me many months to improve my grammar. First of all, what I did for learning grammar, I started learning and I wasn't able to use. So learning is one thing and using is another thing, right? It's very hard to use, and it was happening with me. So first thing what I did, I started watching cartoon, and even I wasn't able to understand 100%. So what I did, I started learning grammar. In your case also, if you find that you are unable to understand, learn grammar. Another thing, when I went for watching videos, so I thought to watch many a time one video, because it was hard for me to remember whatever I used to watch. In your case also, it might be happening when you might be watching some video, and many a time you may be forgetting a lot of things. So it was happening with me also. So I would highly recommend you to not watch a lot of videos in a day as a beginner. Watch few videos, I mean 1 or 2 videos in a day, and watch them repeated way. आपको एक वीडियो को बहुत बार देखना चाहिए, and that's what I used to do. मैं भी ऐसे करती थी. जब मैं कई वीडियो को एक दिन में देखती थी तो बहुत चीज़ें माइंड से निकल जाती थी, So in your case also it might be happening. You might be watching a lot of videos, and in the end of the day you might be thinking that, oh, I'm unable to remember them, So as a beginner, you should watch one video many a time, and it will help you to improve your English. First thing what I did, I started watching cartoons. Second thing, I started listening English related content, and one video many a time. Other thing, I started working on my grammar. And if you ask me what else I did, I started reading books. You won't believe, when I started reading books, I wasn't able to understand what was written, because my grammar was not clear. If your grammar is not clear, then you won't be able to connect the things, because over there they use past tense, future, future perfect. How will you understand if you don't have idea about grammar? If you don't have idea about tenses, right? So if you want to understand books or newspaper or anything, then you should work on your grammar. It will help you to understand things. When I used to listen speech or any video related to English, I was getting confused because I was not good at grammar. My tenses were not clear. So once I worked on my tenses, it became easy for me to start understanding, right? So you should also do this kind of things. If you find that your grammar is not clear, work on your grammar, because it is going to help you a lot. If you listen, if you watch, if you read, or if you talk also. Because if you talk and you want to talk perfectly, then you need to know grammar. Okay, so in my case, I worked on my grammar and it took me many months. I told you, right? So you may find it challenging, but everything will become easy once you start your journey. My friend, our first step could be little harder, but once you start it, you will find day by day, it will get easier for you. And that's what was happening with me. Initially, I used to think that this language is not made for me because I wasn't able to understand, I wasn't able to speak little bit also. Okay, so how did I start speaking this language? After many months, like once I started learning grammar, once I started listening, once I started reading, then I thought to speak this language, and it was really challenging for me because I had never ever spoken this language in front of anyone or with anyone. So I had to think thousands times before I took first step for speaking this language. I had so much shy that how can I talk in English language? It was really very difficult for me to start speaking this language. So I came to know about one app, and I had already learned how to introduce myself. And I introduced myself. Afterward, I didn't have any idea to continue my conversation. So after introduction, I hung up the call. And then I learned some another words or another sentences. Sorry, I forgot. I should have shared another sentences. So I learned many sentences that how to ask question to people, So I wasn't able to answer, but I used to ask question that where are you from? What have you studied? Or what do you do? Or how are you? How is your day? This kind of question I learned. And I started asking to people. When they were replying to me, I used to listen them carefully that how they are replying to me. So when I used to talk to another person, I used to reply the same way, the way I used to listen from other people. That's how I had to struggle, or I was struggling. In your case also, you might be struggling the same way. But my friend, I told you that it will not be the same. You will not have to suffer the same way. Initially, it will be very, very challenging. Sometimes it feels that this language is not made for me, or I can never ever learn this language, but it's not true. You can learn this language. You can speak this language. First of all, believe in you. If you believe in you, then one day you will do it. Okay, so I had started learning this language from scratch, from zero. I wasn't able to understand. I started listening, started reading, I learned grammar, and then I started understanding, right? And when it came to speaking with someone, it was hard for me. But even I tried, I started making a lot of mistakes in front of people. I hung up many time calls because I wasn't able to continue my conversation. So you might be going through the same kind of problems, right? So this is what I did. You should also do the same kind of thing. I hope this video is a little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.